Good evening, guys.
We are about to head out to Mickey's Not So Scary. We can enter the park, Magic Kingdom, at 4 o'clock, and it ends at what, 11?
No, midnight.
At midnight. Her outfit obviously is Mary Poppins. Everyone take a look at this girl and the way she does things. So beautiful. Did a great job on this. Really, really proud of the way that turned out.
I have to show you my umbrella. This is my favorite part.
Completes the ensemble for sure. Love it. She looks like a character from Disney. She looks actually like a Disney cast member, which is pretty sweet. I couldn't think of anything, plus I have to have the cameras and all that expensive stuff, so I didn't want to get anything on it. So I'm good like this. This'll work.
Plus it's so hot out, and he did want to dress up but not be sweating the whole time. He does so much work for these videos, and it's just a lot of work for him with the camera and doing the B-roll and everything.
We are about to head out, and we are going to take some pictures of her and that outfit, which is awesome. We will see you at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party.
We just got to the party, and it is about 5 o'clock, so we have 2 hours until it starts. It's all decked out for Halloween. There's pumpkins everywhere, costumes everywhere you look around. It's really, really awesome. This is one of our favorite nights of the whole entire year. Dave's favorite ride is Haunted Mansion, so we have a fast pass for that. We're gonna do that first before anything else at the party. And then I think we're gonna grab some treats. I wanna try out a bunch of the snacks here at the Halloween party. They have a lot of different things that they don't have here during normal hours. I heard they have some Jack Skellington push pops that look really, really good, so we're probably gonna get one of those. Also, you guys can go trick-or-treating here during the Halloween party and fill up as much candy in your bags as you want. When you guys walk into the party, they give you this map for 2019, and it tells you all the times for the fireworks, the Boo to You parade, for trick-or-treating. This is where you're gonna find all your spots on this map.
This is the first time we're seeing the castle this year.
I love it!
It's beautiful.
There's nothing like the castle. This is what Disney is all about right here. Right behind me is that entrance I was talking about, right to the right when you walk into the park. And you need one of those vans to walk through this entrance. That's where you get your trick-or-treat bag and also allergy-friendly tokens, and they have everything there. This is the start of the party, so we're gonna walk through right now and start the night.
Here we are at Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. It is the first building on the right when you get into Liberty Square. We are here to get the Headless Horseman cheesecake. It's a pumpkin mousse layered chocolate cake with chocolate crunchies, orange glaze, and topped with a Headless Horseman chocolate piece.
It is so good, and the chocolate that's inside tastes kind of like what you would get in an ice cream cake. I love how the crunch mixes with the really soft mousse, and really tasty. Definitely recommend it. It also is a snack credit, so works out perfectly if you're on the dining plan. We do not have a fast pass for Haunted Mansion, but it's only about a 15-minute wait, which is perfect. We just got off the Haunted Mansion, and it wasn't honestly the best experience because the ride kept stopping. Literally, it stopped 3 times.
It wasn't even cool in there either, like the temperature wise. It usually has like a really cool, dead, haunting feeling. And
yeah, and it was pretty humid.
Yeah, I think something was going wrong with the electrical system in the place, like with the AC and all of that, so. Yeah,
so I definitely think we're gonna go back on it, maybe later tonight, but if not, definitely on Monday, because we need our Haunted Mansion fix the right way.
Yeah, for sure.
We just got the Jack Skellington push pop, and it's so cute. It actually comes with a chocolate piece of Jack right on the top. and it's chocolate cake in between layers of vanilla icing, and it looks so yummy. Really cute. I love the little souvenir aspect. This was $7, and it was a Disney dining snack credit as well. So this is our second snack of the evening. Good?
It's like cake, icing.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Very good. The icing's very sweet, but not too rich, and they work well together.
So we're gonna go ride Pirates of the Caribbean and then maybe get another snack. I'm looking for something a little bit more salty rather than sweet because we just had 2 sweet items and I'm already hitting my limit, and I already grabbed some candy as well while we were on the Haunted Mansion. The wait time for Pirates is only 20 minutes. You do not need fast passes at all for Mickey's Not So Scary. Well, especially tonight. I'm not sure about other nights, but it is awesome. And now we're gonna go find our spot for the fireworks. There's only one showing tonight and it's at 10:15, so we want to get a really good spot. Hallowishes were one of my favorite fireworks ever because they did like the 360 panoramic view of the fireworks, so I'm wondering if they do that again in this new rendition.
We are here at Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin, I guess it's called.
Yeah.
We're going to do the standby entrance because it's only 10 minutes long, which is great.
I am determined to get over 49 or 50,000 today.
Yes, do it.
Here we go. So I did much better than I thought, but that is because we stopped and I kind of cheated. Dave didn't cheat. He was so good about it, but I probably would have at least gotten 100,000. But so much fun, my best score yet. See you later, Buzz.
We are here right in front of the castle for the new Halloween fireworks. It's going to be amazing. She's ready, I'm ready.
The fireworks and Hocus Pocus, and now we are waiting for the Booty You parade. We got a great seat right up front, right on Main Street, in front of all the beautiful houses. Dave went and got the biggest cupcake I have ever seen. It's actually called the A Muff Cupcake, and it has the 3 Sanderson sisters right on top. So cute. I love it so much, and it's humongous. It looks like it's like a cupcake on top of another cupcake. It's that big. What's in it?
Yeah, it looks like a brownie with chocolate filling, and there's like a green sauce right here, which is like, it's just like icing, green icing. And then obviously there's layers down there we haven't gotten to yet, but I'm sure they're pretty good. And they have this this little artistic chocolate here, which is pretty cool too.
I know, I love how it has all 3 Sanderson sisters on it.
With the castle, Cinderella's castle.
Exactly, yeah. This is a specialty item and it's only available during Mickey's Not So Scary, so definitely grab it. It is also a snack credit as well, so it works with your dining plan, and it's definitely worth it, I think, because how expensive was that?
$8.
So it was very expensive, so definitely worth a good snack credit. This cupcake stains your mouth. Look at our tongues. So if you're planning on taking pictures and everything, do not get this cupcake. midnight right now, and we are headed up to catch the monorail back to the Grand Floridian where we parked. We always end up parking there just because we think it's really easy, and we like spending some time in the Grand Floridian before heading over to the party. So it's just kind of a little tradition that we do every single year.
Yeah, and I think I am having a sugar attack right now. That cupcake that we had earlier was unbelievable.
We're gonna grab some quick service meals over at Gasparilla's, which is right in the Grand Floridian. It's 24 hours, which is great, so maybe some burgers and fries will do the trick because we are very hungry. Off to the Grand Floridian. We decided on McDonald's rather than Gasparilla's because they only offered pizza. But we had pizza the other night, so I was like, can we please go to McDonald's? And the one here in Orlando is only about 5 minutes from all the resorts, and it's 24 hours, so. And it's packed right now. We've been waiting in line just to order for about 5 minutes already. So we're gonna eat our McDonald's and then get into bed as soon as possible because we have to wake up tomorrow morning bright and early for breakfast at Cape May Cafe. At least it is right in our hotel, so that's one good thing. We can just shower, get ready, and then walk right to breakfast. And then for the rest of the day, I don't know if we're gonna be vlogging for the rest of the day tomorrow because we are meeting up with Dave's family. They live here in Florida and it's Becca's Sweet 16, so I think we might go out in the city of Orlando and go to one of the restaurants there. But if not, we will see you guys the following day at MGM or Hollywood Studios for Star Wars. So we'll see you guys in the morning.